verbatim.
This is a story about a bomb cyclone, or how a coastal citizen survived a California mountain snowstorm. A few weeks ago, I decided to go on a road trip north to visit a friend. I had made this trip several times before. I was going to stay one night on the way up in a mountain town called Dunsmuir. I had heard that there would be storms nearby, but the sky over the highway was blue and the bad weather was to my west. However, as I pulled into Dunsmuir, it began to rain. Then it began to snow a lot. I picked up some food at the nearest restaurant, located my Airbnb, and settled in for the night. When I woke up, my car was covered in snow. I quickly learned that the highway was closed. I was snowed in. How am I going to get food? I wondered immediately. We all have our priorities. Following snowstorm advice on the internet, I found two plastic garbage bags under the sink. I secured them over my shoes using hair ties. Then I walked down the deserted, snowy street to the gas station. I bought 2 bags worth of food from that gas station. I had no idea what was going to happen next or how long the freeway would be closed. Then I settled in to wait, watching the snow fall outside. I have to admit, it was beautiful. Luckily, the snow finally stopped falling after 24 hours. However, Caltrans, our transportation department, made snow chains mandatory for driving on the freeway. Snow chains are expensive. I was quoted $150. This quote of $150 was for chains that I might use only once. It was highly likely I would not be required to use them at all, but it was required by law that I have them just in case. It was a well-known stupid tax for inadequately prepared non-locals like myself. Thankfully, the temperature continued to climb and the rain continued to melt the snow, and finally, the mandatory chain requirement was lifted. The maintenance man shoveled a path for my car. He and some of his friends surrounded my car and directed me out of the parking lot. And then I was free.
My wish would be to be free.